Once upon a time, in the bustling tech town of Cloudsville, nestled within the realm of innovation, an ingenious entity was born to make life easier for developers. It was named Elastic Beanstalk. Elastic Beanstalk, often affectionately called Bean, was unlike the town's other constructs. It wasn't just a tool or a service. It was a caretaker and facilitator, enabling other tech constructs to reach their full potential. In the growing world of computing, Bean offered a home to applications, nurturing them from tender sprouts into mighty oaks. In Cloudsville, developers were often consumed by mundane tasks, configuring infrastructure, provisioning resources, and maintaining systems. Their brilliant ideas often remained seeds due to their constant focus on these chores. Bean changed all of that. With a simple invitation, developers handed over their precious applications to Bean. With its characteristically unfazed demeanor, Bean accepted the challenge. "Watch me manage your stack," it would often say, as it configured environments, scaled resources up or down, balanced loads, and tirelessly ensured applications remained healthy and robust. One day, a young developer named Arya approached Bean with an idea brimming with potential. "They call it an e-commerce platform," she said, eyes shining with the excitement of transforming her dreams into reality. Arya had heard of Bean's reputation, yet she was skeptical about how much it could really help. With a gentle hum, Bean enveloped her application, cradling it with care. "Don't worry," it assured. "Your application shall see the dawn of success." To Arya's awe, within minutes, her e-commerce platform was live. With Bean's scalable magic, it could adjust effortlessly to both bustling sales seasons and quiet weekdays without any fumble. For Arya, it was no longer about the dread of system failures or the dependency on tech know-how. It was about focus, innovation, and creativity. The transformation in Cloudsville was palpable. Developers, free from their burdensome chores, could finally focus on what they love the most, creating and innovating. Each success story propagated like wildfire, invigorating the once stifled creativity within the community. Bean had indeed woven its magic, not just by hosting applications, but by infusing vigor and motion into a realm that had been on the brink of stagnation. With every idea it nurtured, Elastic Beanstalk carved its place as the unsung hero of Cloudsville, rooted in simplicity and flowering with potential.